Alright lads, so today we'll be doing a service on a Ford Fiesta. It's only a little short video series, it'll still be the Corsa D content, but if you like this sort of stuff then here you are and you can watch it. Let's get to it. So you want to crack your 30mm drain plug loose. I'm going to attempt not to drop the drain plug as everyone else says, but we'll see. Yeah, nicely does it. Just leave that draining.
So you want to remove the oil cap as well whilst it's draining. It helps the oil flow out basically because it sort of holds the oil in with the pressure, but that'll allow it to speed up. You want to remove these two 10mm. So we just want to move the T20s to get inside. Any more sneaky ones?
That's it.
And that is it. Oh, look at that! That's tiny! I expected it to be huge. Right, put the filter in. Make sure it seats properly.
Oh.
Best splodge.
I think that's suitably lubricated.
Finger in the hole.
I know, yeah.
Do not over tighten this. So we're going to put the drain bolt back in. Just with your fingers, make sure you do this.
So you don't want to forget to put your breather hose on, just clip it in place. And, well, I've actually forgot to put the Jubilee clip on. Right, I'm actually replacing this with a Jubilee clip this time because that's what my dad's most likely going to use. You just want to sit it into the little caps at the back and connect the hoses all up. Make sure it seats nicely, like that. Nice oil like that.
Nice and golden.
Yeah.
It's like honey.
Technically I should drop the car down actually for this, so I better put that down before doing that. But at least it's got a bit of oil in it now. That'll do, nicely.
Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment and subscribe and press that bell button if you want to see more.